Hello everyone. The male model has thick and heavy hair volume, so I will begin by adjusting the hair volume for him. I focus on volume adjustment at the hair roots and the middle of the hair. These scissors help me to pump up the hair at the roots for a voluminous hairstyle, and create a textured and defined look at the hair ends. After a few adjustments, you'll notice that with just a flick of the hair, it falls into place effortlessly. I don't want the hairstyle to become too thin. While maintaining the appearance of thickness, I make sure the inside of the hair feels comfortable and loose when I run my fingers through it. Cut the hair length using a point cut technique. I treat the top section with the same technique, resulting in softer and wispy hair ends. Point cut with 2 scissors. Natural and wispy hair ends. Look carefully at the affected hair ends, it is very great. I use the scissors over comb technique for hair cutting. Finally, I use the curvature of the scissors to refine the hairline and complete this hairstyle. We applied special curved blades to cut the contour lines, length, and shape near ears and nape area easily. It's easy to operate on contour lines.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.